You ever feel like you have butterflies in your stomach when you're nervous? Or that your stomach just sinks when you get bad news? Well, what if I told you that's not just a feeling? It's a real physical connection. It's called the gut-brain axis, and it's one of the most fascinating discoveries in modern medicine. Think of your gut as a bustling metropolis home to trillions of microorganisms, bacteria, viruses, fungi. This community is called your gut microbiome, and it's like a second brain. Seriously, your gut actually contains around 500 million neurons, which are connected to your brain through the vagus nerve. This isn't just a one-way street either. Your brain talks to your gut and your gut talks right back. So how does this affect your mental health? Well, these tiny gut microbes are little chemical factories. They help produce hundreds of neurochemicals that your brain uses to regulate your mood. For example, did you know that about 95% of your body's serotonin, the happy chemical, is produced in your gut? If your gut microbiome is out of balance, it can't produce enough serotonin, and that can directly contribute to feelings of anxiety and depression. Let's make this real. A few years ago, scientists did this incredible study with mice. They took mice that were naturally anxious and timid, and they transferred the gut bacteria from bold, adventurous mice into them. And guess what happened? The anxious mice started acting braver. They explored more. They were less stressed. They literally changed their personalities just by changing their gut bacteria. And it works the other way around too. This is huge. It means that what you eat doesn't just affect your body. It directly feeds your mind. Processed foods, high-sugar diets, they can wreck your gut health, promoting the growth of bad bacteria that create inflammation, which has been strongly linked to depression. But foods rich in fiber, like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, and fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, and kefir, they feed the good bacteria. They're like sending a care package to your second brain. So next time you're feeling down or anxious, take a moment to think, what have I been feeding my gut? It's not a magic cure, but taking care of your microbiome is a powerful, practical step you can take for your mental well-being. Your gut has a mind of its own. It's time we started listening to it.